This is Robert Plank from VOSuccessFormula.com. We're going to be looking at how to sync a voiceover to a video. I'll be looking at this sight unseen, so forgive me a little bit if it's awkward. We have an order that came in, and we have 8 lines in a 90-second video. The buyer, the client, has provided to us a video. We'll download that video, and then the client has given us these 4 lines. And what we're going to do is record the audio portion of this voiceover. We'll process it, do noise cancellation, things like that. And then we will open the video file plus the newly processed audio file in Camtasia Studio, which is $300. There's a trial version, all that good stuff. And then we will silence the audio on the original video, and then in our newly recorded voiceover, we will attempt to drag around the pieces. And this is a little bit risky because there's, like I said, there's 2 ways of doing it. I might record these and do individual files, but that takes a long time, right? We'll try to cowboy it, and we will try to play this video, and we'll do our best to get it matched up to what's there, and then we'll see if we can just make it all work in one audio recording and then add silence or remove parts of the audio instead of recording individual pieces. So we'll record, make a stab at this, and we'll see how this works out. So here we go. We will be using Audacity Recorder to do this. Me personally, I like to record my files like this. I have the username of the buyer, and I name my track username of the buyer with today's date. And then if there's some special thing I need to do post-processing, I'll say sync to video. I'll put that just to make sure that I don't forget that. And what I'll be doing is I will hit, and by the way, having a silent mouse helps Miles with this. This is a JNL silent gamer mouse. You can find it on Amazon for $30 or so. This way you don't have to even remove the clicking sounds on your mouse. We'll click record on Audacity. I'll switch to the script, and then in my other window, since I have 2 monitors, we will play this, and we'll see if we can get the narration sort of kind of close. It might be way off, and then that's when Camtasia will come into play. So here we go. Wish me, and we'll make sure to silence the video too. Here we go, and 90-second video, wish me luck. Do you want to be healthier? With Better Off Health, you and your doctor work together to manage your condition. Actually, you know what? I didn't like my voice cracking, so I'll try again. Let's actually screw the video. Let me just read these, and I'll pause in between each line. That way it's less stressful for us. So we'll do a little less cowboying, and we'll just read what's on here. Do you want to be healthier? With Better Off Health, you and your doctor work together to manage your condition, helping you to lead a healthier and happier life. Better Off Health, we invest in you. You'll download the app onto your phone. I'll send you personal recommendations every day. You need to follow them to manage your conditions. This is Emma. She is your electronic medical monitoring assistant. Emma will help you to monitor your condition and make the changes you need to be healthier. Good job, Emma. Better Off Health. Your doctor plus our technology equals a healthier you. Okay, so forget the video for now. I will save just this track. So we highlight this track, click on solo, export to the file where we're working, close this down, then process it. And while that's processing, we will fire up Camtasia Studio. Processing is done. And then let me move that file I downloaded into the folder here. We'll choose New Project, and then import a couple of things. We'll import the file we processed plus the video. Now the dimensions are 848 by 480. I need to make sure that my project is 848 by 480. But we see here,
do you want to be healthier?
That there is already audio in here. So we right click, separate video and audio, and then click on the eyeball. That way we are left with just the video, but we can bring the audio back if we need to. And then as far as our audio recording, we drag that into this timeline here. But some things need to be compressed together and spaced out. So let me see what we have here. Do you want to be healthier? With Better Off Health, you and your doctor work together to manage your condition, helping you to lead a healthier and happier life. Better Off Health, we invest in you. So that first part didn't even need to change a thing. So then here is where we need to adjust. So next what we'll do is we'll click on the lock symbol for the 2 tracks on the original audio. So that way we can do anything we want to our new audio, but we can change we leave the original video and audio alone, but we change our new audio. You'll download the app onto your phone. I'll send you personal recommendations every day. You need to follow them to manage your conditions. This is okay, and then so we'll split this because we need to move that a little bit back. This is Emma. She is your electronic medical monitoring assistant. So with this is a little too long of a pause. We highlight that and then cut. This is Emma. She is your electronic medical monitoring assistant. Emma will help. Same deal with that. Paused a little bit too long. Cut that. Or did that not work? Oh, not copy. Cut. All right. Monitoring assistant. Emma will help you to monitor your condition and make the changes you need to be healthier. Good job, Emma. Better Off Health. Your doctor plus our technology equals a healthier you. So, I'm not sure about those last couple of things, right? You'll download the app onto your... So that's good. Emma. She is your electronic medical monitor. You need to be healthier. Good. So on this good job, Emma, I'm not sure. Here's what we'll do. We'll do a shift Emma, make a marker to denote that we left off there. We will un-eyeball the lock here.
Better Off Health. Your doctor plus our technology equals a healthier you.
So I'm not sure where the good job, Emma, came into play. So we'll hide our audio track and then unhide theirs.
You'll download the app
So there it is. There's a good job, Emma, but the original voiceover didn't even do that. So we'll go back to our track. We'll drag this to the end since that looks very close to where that's at. But we left off at the good job, Emma. Whoops, did we? Shoot. Hang on. Undo. So, good job,
Better
Emma.
off health.
Okay, so what we'll do, so this part's good job, Emma. So we'll make sure we've locked the other tracks. Split. And this is just
Better off technology
your
equals
doctor. Good job, Emma. Good job, Emma. Like that. Good job, Emma. And then better off
technology
your
equals
doctor. See. Better off
health.
The other guy is
Better off health. Your doctor plus our technology equals a healthier you.
And then did he mention anything? He didn't mention anything about music, but we'll go the extra mile. First we'll save this, right? Let's just save this back to what was his username. And then we can also name these tracks. So we can say Robert narration, and we can say original narration, and then this is the video. And then this is and we'll hide it, right? Hide the original narration. This is a 1 minute 47 seconds video, and we can add, I have a folder with stock music, and we have 1 minute 47 seconds. So let's see if this is somewhat similar. Okay. So we'll take in a day to smile, take this marker out, we don't need it, and then, but we don't want to go a whole 2 minutes and 3 seconds. We want to go to the 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then cut off the music, and then drag the audio down somewhat, and then double click, and then bring it down to 0% or so. Plus our technology. Make the music a little quieter, down to about 8%. Good job, Emma. Okay, now we'll go to share local file, save it as an MP4 720p. We'll save it into this folder as with music. Give that a second to process. And then after that's done processing, we will uncheck the track with music and then save without music. And then we'll just deliver the narration on its own, the video with music and video without music. And we'll say this is the music track. Hide the music track, and then process to local file again. And this local file will be without music. Okay. And if you're curious about how these are coming out, we have with music, with better off your doctor plus our technology equals a healthier you. Okay, and now we've done a video sync. Now we just go back to the order. We go to the specific order, deliver your order, upload work, and then browse and give him with music, without music, and then the original audio file. Click on here's your delivery and wait for that to finish uploading. When that's done uploading, this circle-y do changes to deliver work, and then now we have delivered the voice sync order. And if you, I went a little slow here because I was explaining it, but the idea here with Fiverr is lots of little payments, knock them out all in one batch, in one morning session throughout the day, and work fast, and then that way the time you put in is worth your while, just handling lots of little orders, getting things done quickly. If you are excited about the possibilities in front of you of making money using voiceover and doing it on freelancing sites like Fiverr, come visit us at vosuccessformula.com and have a great day.